In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder in Google Forms. If you're organizing your forms and want cleaner, clearer labels for your folders, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to rename a folder without disrupting anything inside it. The process is simple, and by the end you'll have a tidy structure that makes it easier to find what you need. Start by opening your Google form. You want to be on the form you're currently managing, so the interface is loaded and you can see the usual editing tools and navigation. Once your form is open, look to the left side of the screen for the folder panel. This is the area that lists your folders so you can navigate and manage where your form is stored. You might see a list of folder names you've already created, grouped to help you keep different projects or topics separate. Next, find the specific folder you want to rename and click its name. Selecting it tells Google Forms which folder you intend to change. You should see some kind of selection state or highlight, confirming you've picked the right one. Take a second to verify you chose the correct folder, especially if your folders have similar titles. After selecting the folder, look for a rename option. Depending on your view, this can appear as a rename button, a pencil icon, or a similar command in a menu for folder actions. Click Rename. This will open a small text field or dialog where you can edit the folder's name. Now type the new folder name. Keep it clear, concise, and descriptive so you and your collaborators immediately understand what belongs there. Consistent naming conventions make a big difference. Consider including dates, project identifiers, or a brief descriptor. Avoid overly long names or symbols that might be confusing, and make sure the name reflects what's actually inside the folder. When you're happy with the new name, press Enter or click the Confirm option you see on screen, such as Save or OK. The folder will update immediately and your list will reflect the new title. Your forms and files inside the folder stay exactly where they are. Only the label changes, so you don't have to worry about breaking links or moving content. That's it. You've successfully renamed a folder in Google Forms. A few thoughtful names can go a long way in keeping your workspace neat and easy to navigate. If you've got more folders to clean up, repeat these steps and bring everything in line with your preferred structure.